In these changing times, there is a growing need to inform and reassure your customers that their holiday will be a safe and secure one. There is an increasing demand for this to be done in video format, as the main aspects can be shown visually to the customers in an efficient, on-demand format. These can be shared on social media and also on website platforms. Main areas of concern for travelers are the airport experience, transfers and the safety of the hotel or accommodation. Car hire can also be included, as this can also be an area of concern. These processes can be shown most efficiently in the video format with specific branding, which will instill the customer with more confidence in your product. We have recently started production on several of these types of video, which have generated a great deal of interest. All of the featured scenes were shot in the first week of operation in Corfu. Narration can be supplied either by computer generation on location or by a supplied audio file if required. We provide a fast turnaround, with results being available on the day of shooting if needed, with hosting available via our Prime Guides channel. For more information, our contact details are listed at the end of this video.